today's video, we're going to talk about Diversified Consultants. Hi, I'm Bill Clanton, Consumer Protection Attorney. I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with inaccurate credit reporting, debt collection harassment, and other consumer-related issues. In this video, we're going to discuss Diversified Consultants, who they are, what they do, and the laws that apply to them. Diversified Consultants is a nationwide debt collection outfit. They collect debts on a contingency basis, meaning that they take a portion of what they take from you. Diversified Consultants is a third-party debt collector, meaning that they don't own the debts that they collect. They collect on behalf of debt. They collect debts that are owed to third parties. They collect debts on behalf of those third parties, and like I said, they're contingent. They take a portion of what they bring in to those other companies. They have operations, their main office is in Jacksonville, Florida. They have operations in Louisville, Kentucky, and in Oregon. Like I said, they're a nationwide firm and they collect all over the place. I've seen them collecting utility debts before. I don't think they collect a lot of the credit card type debts. Diversified Consultants, as a third-party debt collector, has to follow the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act says that third-party debt collectors, like Diversified, cannot call you and harass you. They cannot call you repeatedly or continuously. When you talk to them, they have to treat you with respect. They cannot use obscenities or profanity. They cannot call your relatives or friends or references and tell them that you owe this money. They cannot threaten to take an action that they cannot legally take. They cannot lie to you about the amount of the debt you owe, the legal status or character of the debt. They can't make any kind of misrepresentation in collecting the debt. They cannot make any kind of false reporting about the debt. They can't report that a debt is undisputed if you've disputed it with them. They cannot collect any extra fees. The FDCPA is a powerful federal law that regulates what companies like Diversified can do. Other laws that apply to Diversified include the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or TCPA. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act says that a debt collector or other company that uses an autodialer cannot call you on your cell phone with that autodialer unless they have your permission before they place the first call. If they do have your permission and you tell them to stop calling, they have to stop calling you with an autodialer. That's a powerful federal law that says the penalty is between $500 and $1,500 per call. Another federal law that applies to Diversified and anybody who furnishes data to credit reporting agencies is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The FCRA says that Diversified cannot report inaccurate data about you. And if they do, they have to correct that when you notify them. These are all powerful federal laws that protect you and level the playing field. My office wants to put those laws to work for you and level the playing field for you. But we can't do that unless you call us. If you've been harassed, mistreated, or otherwise have a claim under one of these laws against Diversified, give us a call. There's no charge. We don't get paid until the end of the case, and we don't take any money from you for these types of cases. Our team has the strategies and the plans and the know-how to sue and get money out of Diversified Consultants. Give us a call, 210-226-0800, and thanks for watching.